Top 5 interesting facts about Niagara Falls. Number 1. Niagara Falls is the world's fastest-moving waterfall. It is also the most powerful waterfall in the world. About 700,000 gallons of water flow down Niagara Falls every second at around 100 miles per hour. It was formed from glaciers over 12,000 years ago. It is now 188 feet tall with a depth of 170 feet. 2 million liters, or about 600,000 gallons, travel through Niagara Falls every day. It can be as high as 100 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest-moving natural phenomena on Earth. Number 2. 5 tightrope walks over Niagara Falls. At the turn of the 20th century, the most daring tightrope walk was Charles Blondin, walked across Niagara Falls in 1859. Daredevil Nick Wallenda became the first person to tightrope walk over Niagara Falls in 2012. He walked in front of a live audience of tens of thousands and had his journey broadcasted on live TV, allowing millions of more people around the world to watch. Number 3. Niagara Falls consists of 3 waterfalls. The American Falls, the Bridal Veil Falls, named for its resemblance to a bride's veil, and the largest, the Horseshoe Falls, make up Niagara Falls. These falls share the border between Canada and the United States. All these falls originate from Niagara River that drains from 4 Great Lakes, Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, and Erie, before falling into Ontario's famous lake as one single body of rapids. With a height measuring about 164 feet tall, each fall goes down several levels across rocks. It creates beautiful views, which can be seen from various walking trails nearby, or even just by driving close enough with your camera ready to snap. Number 4. Niagara Falls provides hydropower to both the U.S. and Canada. Niagara Falls is an excellent source of hydropower. The first power plant was built in 1881 on the Niagara River to generate electricity for nearby cities like Buffalo, New York City, Toronto, Ontario, Rochester, New York, and others across Canada. This massive waterfall provides enough energy. Suppose all the falls are used at once. In that case, it will generate 1/4 of the electricity for the New York State and Canadian province Ontario. There are several hydropower plants in and around Niagara Falls producing electricity for America and Canada. Number 5. Niagara Falls provides about 20% of drinking water for America. Niagara Falls is the source of nearly 1/5 of drinking water in America, about 21% of world's surface freshwater, which just so happens to be all contained in the Great Lakes. Despite its beauty and benefits, you should avoid drinking directly as it may contain microorganisms or parasites not fit for consumption. This is an interesting fact about Niagara Falls. Everybody needs to know.